Life in Dallas offers energy, growth, and vibrant neighborhoods, but it can also come with heat, traffic, and everyday noise. For homeowners looking to create a calmer, more comfortable living environment, windows play a much bigger role than many realize. One window style that continues to grow in popularity across Dallas homes is the slider window. Known for its sleek design, easy operation, and strong performance, slider windows are an excellent solution for improving comfort while reducing unwanted noise. Here's how slider windows help Dallas homeowners enjoy a quieter, more comfortable home. Smooth operation encourages better ventilation. Slider windows open horizontally, gliding smoothly along a track. This design makes them easy to open frequently, encouraging better airflow throughout the home. For Dallas residents, this means letting in fresh air during mild mornings and evenings, releasing trapped heat without relying solely on AC, improving air circulation in bedrooms, kitchens, and living areas. Better airflow helps regulate indoor temperatures naturally, making rooms feel more comfortable year-round. Wide glass panels bring in light without extra heat. Slider windows typically feature large glass panels that allow plenty of natural light to enter. Bright rooms feel more open and welcoming, but Dallas homeowners also need protection from excessive heat. Modern slider windows can include low-E glass coatings that reflect solar heat, double-pane insulated glass for temperature control, UV protection to prevent fading of furniture and floors. This balance allows homeowners to enjoy daylight without overheating their interiors. Tighter seals help block outdoor noise. Noise often enters a home through gaps, poor seals, or thin glass. Older windows may rattle or allow sound to pass through easily, especially in busy Dallas neighborhoods near roads or commercial areas. Modern slider windows are designed with precision-fitted frames, high-quality weatherstripping, tight interlocking sashes when closed. These features help block sound waves, reducing traffic noise, voices, and other outdoor disturbances. Multi-pane glass enhances sound reduction. One of the biggest noise-reducing advantages of today's slider windows is multi-pane glass. Double or triple pane glass creates layers that disrupt sound transmission before it reaches the interior. Benefits include quieter living rooms and bedrooms, less disruption from street traffic or nearby activity, improved comfort for work-from-home spaces. For Dallas homeowners seeking peace and privacy, this upgrade makes a noticeable difference. Energy efficiency supports indoor comfort. Comfort isn't just about temperature, it's about consistency. Slider windows help maintain stable indoor conditions by reducing drafts and limiting heat transfer. Energy-efficient slider windows offer insulated frames, tight seals that prevent air leaks, glass technology designed for hot climates. These features reduce strain on HVAC systems, helping maintain comfortable temperatures while lowering energy bills, especially important during long Dallas summers. Ideal for wide openings and modern layouts. Slider windows are especially well suited for wide window openings and open concept designs commonly found in Dallas homes. Their horizontal operation doesn't interfere with walkways, patios, or interior furniture placement. Homeowners appreciate clean, modern sightlines, easy access to outdoor views, flexible placement in living rooms and kitchens. This versatility enhances both comfort and usability. Professional installation maximizes performance. Even the best slider window won't reduce noise or improve comfort if it's installed improperly. Professional installation ensures precise alignment of tracks and frames, complete insulation around the window opening, secure sealing to block air and sound leaks, smooth, long-lasting operation. Proper installation is key to achieving the full comfort and noise reduction benefits. A quieter, more comfortable Dallas home starts with slider windows. Slider windows offer Dallas homeowners a smart combination of comfort, efficiency, and noise control. With large glass panels, tight seals, modern insulation, and smooth operation, they create brighter interiors while reducing unwanted sound from outside. If you're looking to improve indoor comfort and enjoy a quieter living space, upgrading to modern slider windows is a practical investment that delivers everyday benefits throughout your Dallas home.